Hello. In this video, we will review the necessary steps to execute the required SQL scripts to enable access to the functionalities of the Epicor Prophet 21 ERP system. When installing a new instance of Prophet 21, specific SQL scripts must be executed. These scripts grant essential permissions and enable various actions within Prophet 21. Each participant receives these scripts individually, tailored to the licenses they hold. Let's dive into the practical steps. As shown on the screen, Prophet 21 has been successfully installed. Now I'll demonstrate how to execute SQL scripts as outlined in the Prophet 21 manuals. Step 1. Locate SQL32. The first requirement is the SQL32 tool, which is crucial for running these scripts. To locate SQL32, navigate to the installation folder of your Prophet 21 instance. Access the middleware folder. Open the folder corresponding to your Prophet 21 version. Here it's 2024.1. Go to the accessories folder and then the SQL32 folder. Locate the SQL32.x file. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to launch the tool. Step 2. Using SQL32. Once SQL32 is open, you will see the interface prompting you to connect to a database profile. This profile should already be listed as it was created during Prophet 21's installation. Select the relevant profile. Enter the SQL Server credentials by choosing Use Standard Authentication. The system will autofill the default username. Simply input the corresponding password for this user. Click Connect to establish the connection. Step 3. Selecting the SQL script. After connecting, the next step is to locate and execute the SQL script. Click the Browse for Folder option to specify the location of your SQL script. For this demonstration, I created a test folder containing the SQL file. Select the folder and click OK. If the script has already been executed, SQL32 will display a relevant message. However, for new scripts, you will see a success message once execution is complete. Keep in mind that the outcome may vary based on the commands in the script. Step 4, closing SQL32 and verifying access. Once the script is executed, close SQL32. The permissions or access granted by the script should now be available. At this point, verify that you can perform the intended actions or confirm the proper implementation of your license in your environment. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Gerardo Andrade, and if you liked this content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.